guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a simple chickpea recipe. It won't take long and it's easy enough for kids to make as well. All you need is I think what's this?
A cabbage.
It's an
onion, cabbage, tomato, chili, and lemon, and cabbage, and yogurt, and chilies, and salt, and Caesar salad.
and a mixing bowl. Let's start. The first ingredient you're gonna need is an onion. You just need to cut it into little pieces like that, and then
there's one.
That should be.
There's one. That's big old. This.
And then we'll put that
tomatoes.
To the side. Yeah, that's what he said. You have to use the tomato now. You only need like half of it. You can just cut it into little pieces like this. So you can cut vertically, and then after those bits, you can cut it into little cube things. And then you can put that off to the side as well. Next, you need any chili of your choice. How many is this?
Chili.
And then you can just cut it into little pieces if you want. This is optional, by the way. So you can put that off to the side as well.
This one is lemon.
And the lemon, you can add little drops, but we'll get back onto that. Next, you're going to need the lettuce, the cabbage. You can just do 2 or 3 slices. I'm just going to stick with 2 for now.
This one is lemon.
Now you can get all your ingredients and put them into the bowl. Like this. Now we're going to be putting in the chickpeas. You can just dump all of them in. They need to be boiled before, otherwise it won't taste nice. Then you need some salt. You only need like 1 pinch or something. That should be enough.
Please.
And then you get your chaat masala. You can use as much as you want. I'm just going to use 1 little teaspoon, like this. And then, finally, you're going to need. So just go. Happy? Yeah. My baby brother loves chaat. And then now you can just add your finishing lemon. And then you can put it in a little bowl. I'm too lazy to put it in the bowl, so I'm just going to eat it from here. See, look at it. See yummy? And there you go. It's your finished chaat. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked my video. See you again soon. Bye.